everyone, welcome to the episode of Wei Yeen Weighs In, where I'll be reviewing beauty products under 2 minutes. So today we'll be talking about the new hairdryer GHD Helios. So the GHD Helios comes with a unique aero-persist technology, which means that it has a longer life motor for a more powerful airflow to reduce your drying time. It's so powerful that we're talking 120 kilometers an hour airflow to actually speed up your routine. Now, the hairdryer also comes with advanced ionic technology to reduce frizz and flyaways in your hair, and also to give you 30% more shine. Design-wise, the GHD Helios comes with a contoured nozzle for a more concentrated airflow, just so your hair doesn't go crazy as you're blow drying it. It is also equipped with a bespoke acoustic system technology for lower sound levels, and we can honestly say that this is the GHD's quietest hairdryer yet. So we did a speed test to figure out how long it takes for this hairdryer to blow dry an entire head of medium length hair that's fine textured. And we found that it only takes 1 minute and 50 seconds. This hairdryer is pretty light on the wrist as well, so if you don't like a hairdryer that weighs your arms down and tires you out, this is your go-to. It is only 780 grams, which is half the weight of its predecessor, the GHD Air. Color-wise, it comes in 4 different colorways, including this plum and gold version, and we also like the handy hang tab here for you to hook it by your vanity. Personally, I would give the GHD Helios 8.5 out of 10. It really trumps in speed, weight, and anti-frizz technology, but it will give your hair a slightly flatter appearance that is lacking in volume. So if you're looking for a hairdryer that can really give you bouncy hair after a blow drying session, maybe this is not your pick. And there you have it, the episode of Wei Yeen Weighs In. We hope you enjoyed this video. Click on the link below for the full review. Thanks for watching!